To use the pencil, select it from the toolbar or hit P for pencil. Ooh, hello there, little pencil. Aside from drawing super janky stickmen and women, the pencil also has a powerful use case. That is, it makes it super easy to create complex cutting lines for your cutting and sticking crafts. So, grab a banana, import it to your project. Select the dash line checkbox. Play with the settings until you have a dash that you love. And carefully start drawing around the edge of your banana. Oh, and what's more, this doesn't only work with bananas.